When the Need for Speed movie was released in 2014, fans of the game franchise were excited to see their favorite cars come to life on the big screen. Starring Aaron Paul and Dominic Cooper, Need for Speed was unfortunately a big box office flop. It only grossed $43.6 million in North America and $159.7 million elsewhere, making the earnings a worldwide total of $203.3 million. Even though there hasn't been any news on it, fans have been speculation for a new years now if a sequel is going to be released. Given the original poor performance in it for Speed 2, moving might not be on the horizon, but there is share of hope that it couldn't be happen. There is no need for Speed 2 movie in production or even scheduled to be filmed. It was officially announced in 2015 as a planned project between EA and the China Movie Channel Program Center. The whole promise of this plan was to make the film series international, shooting the bulk of in China. Aaron Paul said in 2016 interview with Collider that he knew nothing about the sequel plot or what his involvement would be, but he seemed like he was game for a return. It would be a shame if the supposed sequel did not star Aaron Paul. It would also likely see the return of Imogen Poots as Julie and Dominic Cooper as Dino. It is also surprised the director Scott Vogt would be asked to return. However, Vogt is currently busy filming Escape to Atlantis and is in the post-production with the Expendables 4 and Snafu. If there was anything remotely redeeming about the original Need for Speed movie, it was Aaron Paul, since he has expressed some interest in returning. It is likely that he did still have a role in the sequel.